Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had seen that the US market is moving up. Though yesterday the Fed minutes came out which was indicating that there was some concern about 0.5% interest rate increase. A few of the people have voted for 0.25% increase, but because of the majority, the 0.5 interest rate cut was taken up. Uh, what we are seeing that today even inflation figure are expected in the US and which are expected at 0.1% increase month on month versus last month 0.2, and yearly basis the inflation is further likely to come off and likely to increase by 2.3% versus last month 2.5%. So in expectation of that, which will indicate that though the economy is continue to do well, the inflation is coming off, which is supporting the market. And we had seen new high in the US market yesterday. Taking clue from the US, the Asian markets are also showing positive signs. The Hong Kong market is up by almost around 4% after a sharp sell-off in last 2 days. This is more of a bounce back, and also there are further talk of some stimulus may be coming in China, and in that perspective, we are seeing short covering. Even Chinese market are showing positive trend, and other Asian markets are also indicating positive trend uh, across various markets. So overall seems positive for India as well. Yesterday, RBI announces the policy and kept the interest rate unchanged, whereas they changed the narrative or outlook from uh, supportive to neutral, which is opened up the gate for the rate cut in coming quarters. We are seeing a rate cut across the world in different central banks. So there is a possibility that the rate cut may start in the December quarter. So overall seems positive for the day, and we may see some opening positive and thereafter continue to remain strong in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Last three trading session, we saw that Nifty not managed to sustain above the 50 DM and facing the immediate resistance. Today, we expect gap up open, and if Nifty sustain these level 25,050 range in above closing basis, then we expect further rally towards 25,140, 25,240 in upside. Downside 24,900 is the first majorly support for index. If Nifty sustain these range, then we expect market up move to be continued. But if Nifty fail to sustain 24,900 in closing basis in downside, then we expect some profit booking, some pressure in downside. Otherwise, we see some profits positive momentum to be continuing few trading session. Bank Nifty also facing immediate resistance around 51,640, and above that range we expect up move towards 51,800, 52,000 in upside. First immediate support place for 1 to 2 trading session is 51,000, and below that 50,770 next majorly support for Bank Nifty. So overall both index we expect positive open if manage to sustain the important range that 50 DMA, then we expect the further rally to be continuing up. Fine Nifty also trading near the support zone that's come around 23 700 and 690 range, and if managed sustain this closing, then we expect further rally towards 23 760 and about 23 840, and the first majorly support place around 23 600. So overall today's positive open, we see some positive momentum in all three index. Stock specific, Cipla also looks positive. In pharma, Arun the pharma also looks positive. We already given a call in Arun the pharma. Upside 1570, 1580, next immediate target for Oro Pharma, and downside first immediate support is 1500, and then 1480 is a major support for Arun the Pharma. In other TV slabs, to be continue the rally, yesterday's rally, to expect the positive momentum to be continue in TV slab. Balkrishna Industry also technical front looks positive. Negative side, AU Bank looks weak. Yesterday we saw some pressure in AU Bank that was below the important average range. GAIL also looked weak. In yesterday we saw last two trading session we saw the some pressure in GAIL. Though that's it for technical. Derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, Aaron. On the derivatives front, as we are witnessing that from last 2 days of trading session, Nifty has shown some pullback from the lower ends. The immediate and the major support for the Nifty lies at 24,700 mark. Between these, we are seeing that from 24,800 to 24,200 range, the OI portions are not much that sharp as per the current scenario. Nifty is likely to remain in the range of 24,800 to 25,200 level. Once if Nifty in today's day of trading session manages to give close about 25,200 level, or in next 1 to 2 days of session, if Nifty manages to get close or stable about 25,200 level, then we will expect the fresh buying to be initiated from the index front towards the 25,500 to 800 level. But once the long position need to be hold with the support of 24,700 level. Once if Nifty goes below 24,700 level, then the rally which we have seen from last 2 days of trading session will be completely wiped out towards 24,300 to 400 marker. So hold the support long position with the support of 24,700 marker. Another positive reason which we expect the market to show some reversal is from the PCROI. PCROI is trading at 0.72 level. It is trading at the oversold zone. So we expect the shoot up from the PCROI front towards 0.88 to 0.92 levels, due to which we expect the market momentum to show 100 to 150 points on the upper end. The gift Nifty is likely to open 100 points on the upper end, but stability is important. We are seeing that Nifty is not getting stable about 25,100 level in yesterday's session. Also, in the second half, Nifty completely got wiped out below 25,100 level. So once if Nifty manages to get stable about 25,100 level and PCROI at that point of time get stable about 0.88 level, then we expect that the buying will be witnessed for the next session. As per the stock specific and sector specific front, overall pharma sector looks positive. Selective counters from the pharma will be Oro Pharma and Glenmark looks positive. Fresh buying has been witnessed from last 3 to 4 days of trading session, and we expect the buying to be continued in today's session also. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. Star Health and Allied Insurance is undergoing a forensic investigation after a significant data breach whereby personal data of many customers, including mobile numbers, PAN number, address, and pre-existing health conditions of almost 3 crore customers of Star Health is made available on a website created by a hacker. So the hacker claims that Star Health's chief information security officer sold all the data and later tried to change the terms of their illegal deal, and that is why he is exposing that particular officer. So Star Health has said that they will be cooperating with the authorities and has filed a legal action against such illegal platforms. So overall, it is negative for the company. A joint venture of PNC Infra and Akshay Infra projects has been declared L1 bidder for EPC project worth 2,100 crores. That's positive for PNC Infra. Thank you.
Good morning. Gopal Snacks Limited has started its 4th vertically integrated manufacturing facility, which is at Rajkot, Gujarat. This is to strengthen their backward integration. This is a raw material processing unit, and the facility has a construction area of 84,000 square feet, of which it has already completed around 38,000 square feet of construction. And it expects full-scale operations from first half of FY26. This is positive for the company. Britannia Industries has inaugurated a new cheese factory in Ranjangaon, Maharashtra. This factory is dedicated to produce the Laughing Cow products and has a production capacity of 10,000 tons per year. It will help in expanding Britannia's footprint in the dairy segment, particularly in the processed cheese market. So this is positive for the company. In addition to this, the company also invested rupees 87, around 88 lakh towards the acquisition of 6% stake in Surya Urja One Private Limited. The same will enable the company to procure renewable energy for its factory located at Bidadi, that is at Karnataka. Currently, the stock is trading at a premium valuation of 54 times to FY26 earnings. Our near-term outlook remains neutral. Thank you.
Adani postponed its meeting for interim dividend due to some in-house reasons. That is, mother of Anil Ambani has expired, so nothing neutral for the company. Apart from that, Adani that was related to Vedanta. Vedanta has postponed and Adani Enterprises will launch the QIP. So maybe seeing some correction because of that, but overall, if there is, then it will become positive. So that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are expecting prices to rise in gold and silver. So looks settling around at 74,800, 74,500 levels, which is a good support area. So one can initiate a buy, and we are eyeing for targets around 75, 500 in 1 or 2 days. So one can initiate a buy and hold. Similarly, silver also looks holding on to support at 88,000. So one can buy with a stop loss of 88,000, and on upside again we are expecting 90,500 to 91,000 on upside. And in crude oil also we are expecting 60 to 50 on the upside. So buying on dips around 61.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 6070. And in natural gas, one can initiate a buy after the fall yesterday. So again, a pullback till 228, 230 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 216. In metals also, copper, we are expecting a pullback after the correction. So buying around 826 with a stop loss of 820 is recommended. Again on upside, 835, 836 is the level where one can expect profit taking. Zinc also, one can initiate a buy around 277 with a stop loss of 275. And on upside, we are eyeing for 280. So a buy on dips is the strategy. That's it from us. Thank you very much.